How to do, survive a small apartment. Small apartments have big advantages, once you know how to make the best use of your space. Instructions. Quick tip: add shelves wherever you can. Shelves maximize storage space, allowing you more room to roam the apartment. Step 1. Now use the time you'll save by cleaning a small apartment to take day trips, or long walks around your neighborhood. Did you know? The movie The Apartment, starring Lemmon and Shirley MacLaine, won the 1960 Academy Award for Best Picture. Step 2. Place a hanging shoe rack on a closet door, and install a shelf above the rod in your closet. Step 3. Place hooks in hallways and closets to create more storage space. Step 4. When you're decorating, choose colors that are lighter and blend evenly to make the space appear larger. Use the same colors throughout the apartment. Step 5. Utilize the space wisely from floor to ceiling with tall bookcases, tall headboards with shelves, and tall mirrors on doors. Quick tip: adding a large mirror onto a wall will deepen the appearance of a room, and can add light if situated across from a window. Step 6. Measure each room and choose your furniture according to each room's size. Most small apartments weren't designed for 52-inch televisions and sectional sofas.